Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock AI Plus phone if you forgot password. So you can see enter pin and you can see wrong pin, try again. As you can see wrong pin, try again. Okay, to unlock your AI Plus phone, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off. As you can see your phone will shut down or tap on OK. Okay, now it is successfully shut down. Now after it, press and hold the power and volume up button together, and when the AI logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button, and now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data, factory reset and confirm. So you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone, guys. I would like to inform you, after hard reset all stored data on this device will be deleted. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and as you can see data wipe complete. Now simply tap on reboot system now. And guys, after hard set it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock AI phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.